out and anything the dog. Long time. All of them make a new foreigner come in and play suit. I'm going to rob a boy because I broke from when, you know. Now, no money. Right now, I'm going to give the boy a PhD, you know. Right, we're supposed to find it out of my ends up for them boy the place. Once we get robbed, new foreigner in our place and thing. Trouble did it. No man no move, bro. No man no move. Boy, free. Love.
Well, I'm still going to go like this. When I rob the boy, those guys some money for him.
No. Boy, I see him, so. I find them say come from foreign, you know. He money and thing in a bag, you saw in a boy. Boy, don't move, you know. Take off with the boy. Take off with the boy.
Yeah, dog, you know, see a flanker here. You know, say new village up a road, just subscribe and like and press the bell. You know,